Yesterday guys we were selling pound USD guys after unable to break above. Guys, eventually we went on to hit our target. And guys, the question remains, what are we going to do today? Let's start the daily chart guys. On the daily chart guys, we are at this daily support area. We have to keep that in mind because these levels are very strong. On the 4H guys, bearish trend, obviously nothing to see here other than the bearish trend. On the 1H guys, we have had this initial higher high, so, and on the 15-minute guys we are bullish. So guys, I'm going to keep on buying this as long as the price is above 1.34599. I think we will get a move back down, but I would only start selling this if guys the price breaks below 1.34527. And keep in mind it's Friday guys. On Friday guys I have only one target, meaning if it, and only one trade, if necessarily gets hit guys I take the day off, especially if I've had a good week. And if the TP gets hit, I take it as well. We may be seeing momentum and big move up, we never know guys, but I feel like Fridays are for correction, so the moves are the whole week we've seen this bearish move, so I think on the Friday at least we'll get a correction, and I am bullish for a correction, not for, you know, like a change in higher time frame trend. Of course I'm not seeing that, I'm just doing it for a correction. And guys, if you break below this, in my opinion guys, then the target would be 1.34196. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this way, and see you guys tomorrow or next week I guess.